So I picked up this light for my cooking videos, and this is just a motion sensor light. You can put this up on your closet, or you can do it for cooking, for extra lighting, or you can put it in a hallway. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this really quick and install it and see how it works out. You guys, it's LED, it's rechargeable, no wiring required, which is pretty cool. That's what I liked about it. And you can charge it and it'll last you a pretty long while. You know, so this is looks like a good product. Let's give it a shot. Okay, opening the package, comes with instructions, these little screws, and the remote here, charging cable. And let's check out this light. Pretty simple, guys. And it looks like you just screw this with these wherever you want to mount it. And afterwards you can just turn the light and that's it. So right now what we're going to do is see if it works. Oh, it does work. But I still want to put it on the charger meanwhile. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. All right, so we went ahead and plugged this in. And we're just going to throw it on the charger. Let it charge for a little while we mount what we need to do. And look, this is where I'm going to end up mounting it, right up here. And that's because I do my cooking videos here and I need extra lighting. Since this was going to be going onto my cabinet, I didn't really need those little plastic inserts because that's for drywall. I went ahead and screwed it from the bottom going up. And what I ended up doing is just cutting off the screw at the top and grinding it down so nobody cuts their fingers and it's perfectly safe. So once it's mounted, just go ahead and turn it and it'll lock into place. You can go ahead and disconnect the charging cable. You won't need it. And let's go ahead and test this thing. Oh my God. We're using the controller now. Check out this light. We're gonna try the different functions, the brightness. As you can see, it can get pretty bright up in here. So I'm using the remote here. Pretty cool functions. For the most part, I'm just gonna leave it on sensor mode. That's gonna be here, sensor control. You just push that button and it'll hit the sensor. Put it on all the way bright. Here's the difference between the light on and off. You can see how it's off, on, big difference. Look, that's gonna make a big difference in making videos. So I'm pretty happy with this light, not gonna lie. It's pretty awesome. It's snug right there. And I have it to where it's connected close to where I can charge it. It's awesome. I recommend it, man. So this automatic light has 4 different color temperatures ranging from like 3000 K all the way up to 6000 K. And this is great even if you want to use it for like a night light. So yeah, I really like the options that it has. Hope this review helped you guys.